because it's long. I want to say about codec calculator. First, and we have to write an HTML doctab, and then doctab HTML, and then we write about title calculator, and then we write about head, tag head, and then we write tag body, and tag body we write tag from, and tag from. One by one we write code for every number in calculator. Then we write input type text value first, because we have on Crochet, right? Input type text value equal name and display, and then we write input type button, about the buttons, about number, input type button value AC equal unclick parenthesis MP, input type button value C parenthesis unclick parenthesis MP, input type button value person equal unclick parenthesis MP, input type value input type button value multiply equal unclick parenthesis MP, and then we write input type button value number 9 equal unclick data this value, input type button value number 8 unclick data this value, input type button value number 7 unclick data this value, input type button value multiply equal unclick data this value, and then we write input type button value number until 7 6 until 6 unclick data this value, input type button value number 5 unclick data display, input type value number 5 number 4 unclick data this value, and then we have input type button about division equal unclick data this value, input type button value number 3 3 equal unclick data this value equal input type button value number 2 equal unclick data this value, input type button value number 1 equal data unclick data this value, and then we write input type button value multiply equal unclick data this value, and then we write input type button value 0 unclick data this value, and then we write input type button value dot about dot unclick data this value, and then we write what you have in more, what you can say all, and then finish because I say multiply. Then we write this is code about one by one what all button and the calculator. Then we write about a style, what style you want. In a style we have to write about CSS margin, and then we write about padding, and then we write about height, and then we write about form. The form this is you have to give number example of height 200 100 I am not sure, I am not try, I just now learn for how to code it from background example from we write about background example yellow, green, whatever you want, weight, and border reduce your border, reduce how many pixels, 2 pixels, 5 pixels, I don't know how many pixels. Then you have to give position in the style where you want to put in the middle, and the right, left, and then we write about top and about left. Top example 50, left example 40, and transfer equal by translate. Then we have about equal. Okay, I go and back because this very longer. I go and look in detail more. And then in a style we have to write input about name and display, and back in the background and the side you have to write number. Then about height and text line, your text line example 2 3 you have to write right or left right, and margin and weight, example 100, then padding, then float, your float is right or left, then weight, background, and and then three quote, I don't know. Then we write about function, about equal, function equal, your equal because it's for answer, so it's different. We write function equal, and we write cal dot display dot value, and then we write cal for function equal cal dot display value equal cal dot display value.